My name is Sri Padma Pavani. I am pursuing in CSM branch at SRIT College. Today my topic is about maclarens theorem. What is maclarens theorem? If f such that 0, x tends to r such that f to the power of n minus 1 is continuous and 0, x. Second one, f to the power of n minus 1 is derivable on 0, x. Third, if these two are applicable, then we have to move to third step, which is f of x equals to f of 0 plus x into f dash of 0 plus x square by 2 factorial into f double dash of 0 plus and so on plus x to the power of n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial into f to the power of n minus 1 into 0. Then Maclaurin series expansion of f of x about x equals to 0. F of x equals to f of 0 plus x minus a into f dash of a plus x minus a whole square by 2 factorial into f double dash of a plus and so on plus x minus a to the power of n by n factorial into f to the power of n minus 1 into a. Next. There is one simple problem we have to solve. Show that log of 1 plus e power x equals to log 2 plus x by 2 plus x square by 8 minus x to the power of 4 by 192 plus and so on. And also deduce that e to the power of x by 1 plus e to the power of x equals to 1 by 2 plus x to the x by 4 minus x cube by 48 plus and so on. Now we will solve the problem. By Maclaurin series, f of x equals to f of 0 plus x into f dash of 0 plus x square by 2 factorial into f double dash of 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial into f triple dash of 0 plus and so on. Let f of x equals to log of 1 plus e to the power of x. Then f of 0 equals to log of 1 plus e to the power of 0. Where e to the power of 0 value is 1. Then log of 1 plus 1 equals to log 2. Then we had to apply differentiation function. F dash of x equals to, here these are two terms. First we have to differentiate log of 1 plus e power x. Again we have to differentiate 1 plus e power x. Now log of 1 plus e power x is 1 by 1 plus e power x. So again we have to differentiate 1 plus e to the power of x. Here d by dx of 1 is 0 and d by dx of e power x is e power x. So we get e power x by 1 plus e power x. Then f dash of 0 equals to, we have to replace 0 in the place of x. Then we get e to the power of 0 by 1 plus e to the power of 0. E to the power of 0 value is 1 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer we get is 1 by 2. Here f dash of x is in the UV form. So next we have to do differentiation by using u by v method. The formula is d by dx of ub equals to v d by dx of u minus u d by dx of v by v square. We have to again differentiate f dash of x. We get f double dash of x. F double dash of x equals to 1 plus e power x d by dx of e power x minus e power x into d by dx of 1 plus e power x whole divided by 1 plus e power x whole square, where u equals to e power x and v equals to 1 plus e power x. Then we get 1 plus e power x, d by dx of e power x is e power x and minus e power x, d by dx of 1 is 0 and d by dx of e power x is e power x. 0 plus e power x is e power x. So we get e power x into 1 plus e power x minus e power x into e power x divided by 1 plus e power x whole square. Then we are taking common e power x on this. We get e power x into 1 plus e power x minus e power x divided by 1 plus e power x whole square, where plus e power x and minus e power x get cancelled. We get e power x divided by 1 plus e power x whole square. Now we have to replace 0 in the place of x. Then we get f double dash of 0 equals to e power 0 by 1 plus e power 0 whole square. We get 1 by 4. Again for triple derivation, f triple dash of x equals to 1 plus e power x whole square d by dx of e power x minus e power x d by dx of 1 plus e power x whole square divided by 1 plus e power x whole square is 1 plus e power x whole to the power of 4. Then we get 1 plus e power x whole square into e power x minus e power x d by dx of 1 plus e power x whole square is x to the power of n formula is n into x to the power of n minus 1. So we get 2 into 1 plus e power x whole to the power of 2 minus 1 and d by dx of 1 plus e power x all divided by 1 plus e power x whole to the power of 4. Then we get 1 plus e to the power of x whole square into e to the power of x, and here e to the power of x into e to the power of x is e to the power of 2x, and here 2 minus 1 is 1, so 2 into 1 plus e power x divided by 1 plus e power x whole to the power of 4. Then we get 1 plus e to the power of x. We are commoning 1 plus e power x, we get 1 plus e power x into e power x minus 2 into e to the power of 2x divided by 1 plus e power x whole to the power of 4. Then we get e power x plus e to the power of 2x minus 2e to the power of 2x by 1 plus e to the power of x whole cube. Here we are cancelling 1 plus e power x, and here in denominator 1 plus e power x, we get e to the power of x minus e to the power of 2x divided by 1 plus e power x whole cube. Then f triple dash of 0 equals to e to the power of 0 minus e to the power of 2 into 0 divided by 1 plus e to the power of 0 into 3. 1 minus 1 is 0, so we get 0. And f to the power of 4x equals to 1 plus e to the power of x whole cube d by dx of e power x minus e to the power of 2 minus x minus e to the power x minus e to the power of 2x d by dx of 1 plus e to the power of x whole cube divided by 1 plus e power x whole to the power of 6. By again using those formulas, we get 1 plus e power x whole cube into e power x minus 2 into e power 2x minus e to the power of x minus 2 into e to the power of x into 3 into 1 plus e power x whole square into e power x divided by 1 plus e power x whole power 6. Here we get 1 plus e to the power of x whole square, we are taking common. We get 1 plus e to the power of x into e to the power of x minus 2e to the power of 2x minus 3 into e to the power of x into e to the power of x minus 2 e to the power of 2x divided by 1 plus e power x whole power 6. Then we get e to the power of x minus 2 e to the power of x plus e to the power of minus 2 e to the power of 3x minus 3 e to the power of 2x plus 3 to the power of 3x divided by 1 plus e to the power of x whole power of 4. Then we get e to the power of x minus 4 e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of 3x divided by 1 plus e to the power of x whole power. Then we are taking 0 in the x plus, we get e to the power of 0 plus 4 e to the power of 0 plus e to the power of 0 divided by 1 plus e to the power of 0 whole power. So then we get minus 2 by 16. From first equation, log of 1 plus e to the power of x equals to log 2 plus x into 1 by 2 plus x square by 2 factorial into 1 by 4 minus x cube by 3 factorial into 0 plus x to the power of 4 by 4 factorial into minus 2 by 16. Then we get log 2 plus x by 2 plus x square by 8 plus minus x cube by 192 plus and so on. This is again differentiate with respect to 2x. For second equation, we get e to the power of x by 1 plus e to the power of x equals to 0 plus 1 by 2 plus 2x by 8 minus 4x cubed by 192 plus and so on. By simplifying these equations, we get e to the power of x divided by 1 plus e to the power of x equals to 1 by 2 plus x to the x by 4 minus x cubed by 48 plus and so on. Thank you for giving this opportunity.